And I do want to give a huge shout out to our sponsor for today's video, FLEXIMOUNT. We're actually about to use a lot of the tools on this list to install this GL1, which is an absolute lifesaver for me. If you're anything like me and you have way too many tools, boxes, everything, all of the above, especially if you have a small garage like me, it's horrible for the amount of things that I have. But the FLEXIMOUNT GL1 ceiling storage lift is perfect for this. The GL1 mounts directly to your garage ceiling, which allows for you to store items above the ground, whether it's for holiday decorations, camping gear, or heavy tools and boxes and stuff that you just haven't gotten to yet. It's perfect for this, and it keeps them safely out of the way while still in reach when you need them. The GL1 has a convenient lifting system, which is super easy to use, and it stays out of the way. You can just pop the handle out when you're not using it. You can lower the platform to load or unload items without a ladder, no hassle, no problem, just smooth, effortless operation every time. Safety is also a priority with the GL1. If you guys are also like me, then a lot of your stuff is way too expensive and you want to make sure that it's safe. It's got a double rope design system which distributes the weight evenly, and a pressure rivet mechanism to ensure that the lift stays stable and secure. It also has a locking mechanism, so that way when you're not using it, you don't have to worry about it just coming down. The GL1 is built to handle your toughest storage needs with a load capacity of up to 300 pounds, and its all metal design will make it last for years. It is a 4x4, so you can count on it to work just as hard as you do. Built for strength and safety, it's the ultimate upgrade for any garage. Order your FLEXIMOUNT GL1 today. There's links in the description. Go check them out. There's also discounts for a lot of you guys, so there's 3 different ways that you can look at it. But it's pretty sweet.